I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Who qualifies for Canadian permanent residence skilled worker immigration? Recent developments effective May 4, 2013 provide qualified candidates with Canadian permanent residence who meet certain eliminatory conditions and assessment factors under a new federal skilled worker selection grid. To qualify for permanent residence under the new FSW program, applicants must meet the following essential eliminatory conditions. 1. Possess 1 year within the previous 10 years of work experience in one of 24 fast-track, high-demand occupations or the equivalent in part-time continuous employment. And 2. The work experience must be classified within skill type 0, managerial occupations, skill level A, professional occupations, or skill level B, technical occupations and skilled trades, within the meaning of the National Occupational Classification NOC system, and 3. Demonstrate intermediate proficiency in one of Canada's 2 official languages. 4. Score sufficient points under the skilled worker point grid comprising of 6 selection factors. The current pass mark is 67 points. And 5. Possess suitable settlement funding. And 6. Undergo a successful security background and medical examination. Under the new rules, qualified applicants are evaluated under 6 factors to determine their eligibility for immigration to Canada. Applicants must obtain a total of 67 points out of a possible 100 in order to qualify. The selection factors are education, language, employment experience, age, arranged employment, adaptability. The new program seeks to select candidates with the highest probability of economic settlement success and contribution to Canada. It maintains previous criteria with modification to the relative importance and point structure for each selection factor. Selection factors. To be selected under the FSW program, applicants who possess sufficient work experience and language proficiency must accumulate a minimum of 67 points on the skilled worker selection grid, which allocates points for education, language, employment, age, arranged Canadian employment, and adaptability. Education, maximum of 25 points. The maximum number of points awarded for education is 25, with maximum points awarded to applicants with doctoral degrees. Foreign credentials will be evaluated by a designated third party to determine their Canadian equivalent, and points will be awarded based on that equivalence. At this time, organizations designated for credential evaluation are Comparative Education Service, University of Toronto School of Continuing Studies, International Credential Assessment Service of Canada, World Education Services, Medical Council of Canada. Language, minimum threshold of 16 points, maximum of 28 points. Only applicants capable of demonstrating an intermediate to high level proficiency in one of Canada's official languages, English or French, will be considered. Applicants who meet the minimum threshold must score at least 16 points under this selection factor. Higher language proficiency can lead to an allocation of up to 24 points. the benefits of bilingualism are considered marginal to an individual's successful economic establishment in Canada, and the new point system limits points for a second official language to a maximum of 4. Employment experience. Minimum of 9 points, maximum of 15 points. The new program requires a minimum of 1 year to qualify, and the maximum consideration is 6 years. Age, maximum of 12 points. Up to 12 points will be allotted to candidates between the ages of 18 and 35 years. Each year above the age of 35 will be reduced by 1, with no points being awarded as of age 47. Arranged employment, 0 or 10 points. Points are allotted to individuals with a validated offer of employment in Canada. In an effort to streamline labor market-related processes and reduce processing times for employers and their potential employees, the arranged employment opinion process will be replaced with the Labor Market Opinion (LMO) employment validation process, which is generally used in processing applications for Canadian work permits. In order to validate an employment offer and obtain points for this selection factor, a candidate's proposed employer must demonstrate to Human Resources and Skills Development Canada that the hiring of a foreign worker will have neutral or positive economic effects on the local labor market. Candidates with a validated employment offer will gain 10 points under this factor and an additional 5 points in the adaptability selection factor for a total of 15 points. Adaptability, maximum of 10 points. Applicants who have at least 1 year of full-time Canadian work experience in a managerial, professional, technical, or skilled trade occupation will be awarded maximum points. As mentioned above, a validated offer of employment will provide 5 adaptability points. Other considerations awarding points under this selection factor include a close adult relative living in Canada, applicant or spouse has studied in Canada, spouse has previous Canadian work experience, spouse has knowledge of one of Canada's official languages. CIC policy confirms that the Federal Skilled Worker Program, while well-tailored to select highly educated individuals, does not favor applications from the skilled trades. In an effort to ensure the Canadian labor market attracts sufficient trades workers, qualified trades candidates may now apply for permanent residence under the new Federal Skilled Trades Program. Persons interested in applying for permanent residence are invited to communicate with us at their convenience or complete an assessment questionnaire.